Laki pa ng balakang. Tama na ako yung commercial. Sorry. Our Miss Gay Queen of Queens 2023. Fourth runner-up, garnering a total average score of 79.85%. Goes to candidate number. Diba, nawala ka ngayon ng trabaho? Ulitin natin. Sige, Kuya. It's okay, it's okay. Our Miss Gay Queen of Queens 2023, fourth runner-up, goes to candidate number. Ay, sorry. Banggitin ko daw po yung average. Alright, tama nga naman. Our Miss Gay Queen of Queens 2023, fourth runner-up, garnering a total average score of 79.85%. Goes to candidate number. Candidate number 2, Miss Angel Doxy. And this time for our third runner-up to be awarded by Queenie Costa, which also happens to be one of our judges tonight. The winner will going to receive a cash prize worth of 3,000 pesos and a gift certificate worth of 5,000 and a beauty product. Our Miss Gay Queen of Queens 2023, third runner-up, garnering a total average score of 85.14%. Goes to candidate number. Candidate number 3, Miss Julia Barreto. Miss Julia Barreto for getting our third runner-up. This time, we're going to announce our second runner-up. To present the award, may we call in Mr. Alan Legaspi Capayas, the Marketing Director of Boucher International, and one of our judges tonight. The winner for second runner-up will receive a cash prize worth of 5,000 pesos and a gift certificate worth of 7,000 pesos and a sash. And a crown. Ang dami. Thank you. Our second runner-up for Miss Gay Queen of Queens 2023, garnering a total average score of 88.28. Thank you. Goes to candidate number. Seven. Miss Karen Montesino. So good luck, ladies. And we are now. Thank you so much, Sir Alan, and thank you also, and congratulations, Miss Karen Montecillo, for getting our second runner-up. This time, our first runner-up, may we call her Ma'am Maribel Ganja to present the award, and Miss Jill Lotok Inaga. Ma'am Maribel, that's fine. Ma'am Bell, the winner for first runner-up will receive 10,000 pesos and a gift certificate worth of 12,000 pesos with a sash, a crown, and a beauty product. a total average score of 89.85%. Goes to candidate number 6. Your Android phone or whatever form of camera gadget, as I announced the first ever Miss Gay Queen of Queens 2023 grand winner. But before that, may we call them to present the award, Ma'am Grace Piñon and Ma'am Shalimar Angeles. And the marketing manager of Mana, Ma'am Sandy. Ayan. Very humble, nasa gilid-gilid lang si Ma'am Danolo. Wala talaga namang very hard. The winner will going to receive a cash prize worth of 20,000 pesos. A gift certificate worth of 20,000 pesos. A crown, a sash, a teddy bear, a beauty products. And once in a lifetime opportunity to have a photo with our panel of judges together with the marketing director of Mana Town Center. Sino ang ating first ever Miss Gay Queen of Queens 2023 grand winner? Our first ever Miss Gay Queen of Queens 2023. Garnering a total average score of 92.42%. Goes to candidate number 8. The crowd has spoken. Candidate number 8 is Tony Fowler Matmat Centina. Maraming salamat po. Congratulations to all our lovely candidates. For those who are not able to make it, congratulations still. And thank you so much for having the humility to join in this particular competition and accept whatever the results of our program for tonight. Our first ever Miss Gay Queen of Queens 2023 grand winner, ladies and gentlemen, once again, we have candidate number 8, Miss Matrika May Centino, also known as Miss Tony Fowler. Let's give her a big round of applause. Muli po, maraming salamat sa organizing committee. Thank you so much for throwing up this kind of competition. So tinatawagan po namin lahat ng mga organizing committee dito sa stage. Pero mamaya muna, picture muna natin lahat ng mga candidates. Thank you so much po muli sa ating organizing committee. Cavite El Viejo Production. Thank you so much, Mamaika. J.E., thank you. Carla, Roberto, Mrs. Stampede. Thank you so much, Lady Stampede. Dr. Colleen, Queen Bea, Maggie. Roberto, thank you so much. Fiori, thank you so much. Maraming salamat. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, our winners for this year, first ever Miss Gay Queen of Queens 2023. We have once again our lovely candidates, our winners for this year, first ever Miss Gay Queen of Queens 2023. Congratulations to all the winners.